Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video we'll show and tell how to get a link to your WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp to copy or get a link to your personal profile. Unfortunately, there is no such function in WhatsApp, but you can do it this way. We go to any chat room. We open correspondence. Then here, you and I have to write W next to A, then put a dot. Then write me and put a slash. And now we write with you our phone number, to which your WhatsApp is linked. And after that, we have done that, we have to write the region of your country. That is your operator. Well, the first numbers here are their +1 someone will have their +8 someone +10, and I'll leave 38 and press send. As you can see, this is a link to my account. Now I can copy it and send it to someone. And when they click on it, it'll open up my chat room. There it is, my chat room. And the person can write me any message. So we go in, copy this link, send it to any person. He clicks on it and goes straight to our page. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you all. See you later. Goodbye.